Hey beautiful people, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. I'm also good. So if you have dry frizzy hair, this video is for you. Today I'm going to share L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Nourishing Shampoo for dry and dull hair. By the way, this is a non-sponsored video. So L'Oreal Labs have developed this unique formula infused with 6 nutritive oils for 6 extraordinary benefits. These 6 oils are argan, almond, jojoba, olive, camelina and coconut to offer you strong, thick, soft, smooth, shiny and manageable hair. This L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Nourishing Shampoo's fragrance is excellent guys. I have been using this shampoo for 3 weeks now. My experience with it is really good and it's one of the best shampoo for dry hair. This shampoo is very affordable too, but if you already have oily hair or oily scalp, then this is not recommended much for you. I purchased this shampoo from Nykaa at an offer price of 1000 ml for just rupees 725 only. So it's really affordable product. So you can also grab it if it helps your scalp and hair from online or offline stores. But I will recommend you to purchase it from online store because you will get a really excellent offer price. So that's it for my today's video. If this video helps you, then please like, comment, share my video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Lamnia with Tanya. Till then, see you. Bye bye.